Final test before packing. Data over fiber, powered by power over fiber. One laptop, second laptop. Photonic converter powering. Laser OPS on. Inverter on now. Could hear the driver registering. Optical link established. Right there. Let's send the file. (15 MB) file. Second laptop, sees it already. Accepting the transfer. Transfer started. Progress indicator. Optical cable for data. Transceiver 1 powered by the laptop. Transceiver 2 powered by photonic converter. Progress indicator still going. %, and 100%.